Behind the scenes, a temp staffing agency acts as a bridge between companies in need of temporary workers and job seekers looking for short-term opportunities. The agency recruits, screens, and hires candidates, ensuring they align with client requirements. Once hired, the agency handles payroll, benefits, and administrative tasks, allowing businesses to focus on their operations while providing job seekers with flexible work opportunities. Meeting business needs. Temp staffing agencies play a vital role in the modern economy by helping businesses find the right talent for their temporary positions. Connecting talent. This dynamic industry bridges the gap between companies and skilled professionals, managing everything from client acquisition to employee placement and ongoing support. A temp staffing agency acts as a bridge between employers seeking short-term or project-based workers and skilled individuals looking for temporary employment opportunities. Complete recruitment management. Agencies handle the entire recruitment process, from identifying qualified candidates to managing payroll and coordinating benefits administration. Compliance and support. They ensure full compliance with labor laws while providing comprehensive support services to both client companies and temporary workers throughout their engagement. Recruiters. They source candidates, screen resumes, conduct interviews, and match them to suitable roles. Account managers. They build relationships with clients, understand their hiring needs, and manage the placement process. Payroll and benefits specialists. They handle payroll processing, benefits administration, and ensure compliance with labor regulations. Staffing agencies typically charge clients a fee for each temporary worker placed. This fee is usually a percentage of the worker's hourly rate, or a fixed amount per hour. Client acquisition. Building relationships with businesses and understanding their staffing needs. Sourcing talent. Actively finding and attracting qualified candidates through multiple channels. Screening and selection. Evaluating candidates through interviews, assessments, and background checks. Matching and placement. Aligning candidate skills with client needs for optimal placement. Onboarding and management. Facilitating smooth transition of workers into client organizations. Payroll and benefits. Managing compensation and benefits administration for placed workers. Employee relations. Maintaining ongoing support and communication with placed workers. Networking. Attending industry events, building relationships with potential clients. Online marketing. Utilizing websites, social media, and search engine optimization, SEO. Referrals. Leveraging existing client relationships and positive word of mouth. Cold calling. Reaching out directly to potential clients to introduce their services. Agencies conduct thorough client interviews to understand their specific staffing requirements, desired skill sets, and project timelines. Online job boards. Platforms like Indeed, Monster, and LinkedIn. Social media. LinkedIn, Facebook, and industry-specific groups. Referrals. Leveraging existing candidate network and word of mouth. Networking events. Attending industry conferences and job fairs. Initial review. Careful evaluation of resumes and applications to identify qualified candidates. Interview process. Conducting thorough phone and video interviews to assess candidate fit. Skills assessment. Administering technical and skills-based assessments to verify qualifications. Based on the client's needs and the candidate's profile, agencies carefully match individuals to suitable roles, considering skills, experience, and cultural fit. Documentation. Completing essential employment paperwork and required forms for temporary assignment. Company orientation. Receiving detailed orientation about client company policies and workplace culture. Role training. Undergoing specific job, training and learning necessary workplace procedures. Final preparations. Completing background checks and receiving final assignment instructions. Agencies are responsible for processing payroll, withholding taxes, and ensuring timely payments to temporary workers. They may also offer benefits packages, such as health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. Agencies act as intermediaries between temporary workers and clients, addressing any concerns or issues that may arise during the assignment, fostering a positive work environment for both parties. Staffing agencies must adhere to all applicable labor laws and regulations, including minimum wage requirements, overtime rules, and worker classification guidelines. They need to maintain accurate records and ensure compliance with employment laws. Applicant tracking systems, ATS. Streamlining the recruitment process, from resume screening to interview scheduling. Payroll software. Automating payroll processing, tax withholding, and time tracking. Communication tools. Email, instant messaging, and video conferencing for efficient communication with clients and candidates. Content marketing. Creating valuable content like blogs, white papers, and industry insights to establish expertise. Search engine optimization. Optimizing online presence to attract qualified clients and candidates. Social media marketing. Engaging with audience across LinkedIn, Twitter, and other platforms. Industry events. Building relationships through face-to-face networking and trade shows. Agencies focus on delivering exceptional service to clients, understanding their evolving needs, and providing ongoing support to foster long-term partnerships. Key performance indicators, KPIs, such as placement rate, client satisfaction, and candidate retention, are used to measure the effectiveness of a staffing agency's operations. Staffing agencies must adapt to seasonal fluctuations in demand, scaling up their operations to meet peak hiring periods, while maintaining quality standards. Competition. Navigating a competitive landscape with numerous staffing agencies operating in the market. Talent acquisition. Finding skilled candidates in a tight labor market. Compliance. Staying current with evolving labor laws and regulations. Technology adoption. Investing in and adapting to new technologies to streamline operations. Growth of gig economy. Increasing popularity of freelance work and contract-based employment. Digital transformation. The use of technology to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and enhance candidate experience. Focus on diversity and inclusion. Efforts to create a more equitable and inclusive workforce. The staffing industry offers diverse career paths, including recruiters, account managers, payroll specialists, and marketing professionals. Business planning. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your agency's goals, target market, and financial projections. Legal requirements. Obtain necessary licenses, permits, and insurance to operate legally in your jurisdiction. Network building. Establish strong connections with industry professionals, potential clients, and candidate pools. Marketing strategy. Create a robust marketing plan to attract both clients and candidates while establishing your agency's presence. Learn from the experiences of successful staffing agencies, their innovative strategies, and their impact on both clients and temporary workers. The staffing industry can be demanding, but with effective time management, setting boundaries, and prioritizing well-being, employees can achieve a balanced work life. Embrace innovation. Adopting new technologies and adapting to industry trends. Focus on client satisfaction. Providing exceptional service and building strong relationships. Cultivate a strong brand. Creating a unique value proposition and establishing a positive reputation. Temp staffing agencies are essential for businesses. They bridge the gap between employers and temporary workers. Agencies handle a complex process, from sourcing to payroll. They play a vital role in the economy. The industry is dynamic, with evolving trends and challenges. Success requires adaptability and innovation. Thank you for your time and attention. Let's connect to discuss how temp staffing can benefit your business.